So, don't mind all the garbage on my floor, okay? There's a reason for it. She's looking. Even Phoenix is hiding under there. Hi. But, I'm gonna show you something. Got this laser. It looks like the device from Men in Black that you lose your memory with. But, so, it's super bright, and if I hold it onto something, it'll burn. It'll catch it on fire. See it? Very, very bright. So, if you want people to think that there is a UFO outside, then you go outside. Sorry, I'm trying. You go outside and you do this. Oh, and then you just I'm trying to do the one hand. And you like move it around a bit, and they're like, "Whoa, what the hell is that?" And then you're just like, "Shoo," and make it fly away. Ooh, actually, my finger is getting hot. Holy cheese. I'll show you something else. Here, I just pointed the ceiling so I don't have to hold this on all this garbage on the floor. I mean, it's not garbage. It's literally a bunch of shit I used to own. Oh my god, don't stick your finger in front of this. What in the hell? That burns so bad. Instantly got burned. I really instantly got burned. Alright, there's this. Looks about the same. Come on, Zero. A little bit smaller of a grid. I'm very confused though. Because why is there... Oh, okay, and this one. This one is just... Oh. Okay, shined in my eye. Now I'm blind. Amazing. That's why, it came with these glasses, but they suck, so we had to actually buy these. I showed you on a previous video, how much better these work. I put it over the lens, but I did. Actually, I'm going to use this to light this cigarette, but I did want to shoot it up into the sky at nighttime and see what happens. Because, humans, it's what we do. Alright, hang on. Oh shit, never mind. I just lit my cigarette with the lighter because I came outside. Oh well. Anyway. Watch this shit. There's this guy. Laser. It just goes on forever. Forever and ever. Is the moon? That would be so fucking funny. Look, it's reflecting off of something right there. And it's moving. It's a bird. Isn't that amazing? If I find something else in the sky that it hits off of, like, hold on. My cigarette smoke. But if something, like, makes the end be, like, like that, Like you saw over here, right there, bird, right there, bird in the sky. I don't want to aim it at him too long because I feel really bad. But yeah, pretty interesting, huh? Okay, bye. Yeah.